Is the murder trial of Drew Peterson. Today, the prosecution calling Stacy Peterson's former pastor to the stand. He recounted the conversation that Stacy had about the death of Kathleen Savio. ABC 7's Sarah Schulte is live in Joliet with the latest. Sarah?
Alan, Neil Schori is a key witness for prosecutors. For the first time in this 4-week-old trial, juries heard hearsay statements from Stacy Peterson. Statements that link Drew Peterson to the crime that he is charged with. Stacy Peterson testified against her husband through this man, Neil Schori. Stacy's pastor told the jury that Peterson's fourth wife was coached by Peterson to lie to police when questioned about Kathleen Savio's death. Schori recounted a 2-hour counseling session he had with the tearful and scared Stacy at this Bolingbrook Starbucks just 2 months before Savio was found dead in her dry bathtub.
I think it was almost like Stacy speaking from heaven above through Pastor Schori, and we heard loud and clear again that Drew Peterson is a murderer.
While Schori was barred from testifying about the entire alleged conversation he had with Stacy, he was able to tell the jury about information Stacy gave him about her husband's whereabouts the night or early morning hours prosecutors believe Savio was killed. Schori says Stacy woke up in the middle of the night to find Peterson missing. Unable to contact him on the phone, Stacy told Schori that Peterson returned in the morning wearing black and carrying a bag of women's clothing that Peterson put in the washing machine. Schori says Stacy, quote, saw women's clothing that she identified is not hers.
The whole point of his testimony is ridiculous. Somebody tells you they live with a murderer and you do nothing? Doesn't that defy common sense?
While Schori never mentioned the word murderer in his testimony, defense attorney Joe Lopez mentioned it 3 different times during his cross-examination. Lopez was trying to drive home the point that Schori heard this explosive information from Stacy but never told anyone until Stacy went missing. Schori says Stacy specifically told him not to tell anyone.
I think we had a powerful finish to our case, and we're looking forward to next week and perhaps even getting to closing arguments.
And prosecutors say they will rest their case tomorrow. The defense is likely to ask the judge for a directed verdict of not guilty. It is unlikely the judge will do that. Then the case will go to the defense. They are likely to call some of their own medical experts. Live in Will County, Sarah Schulte, ABC 7 News. Kathy, back to you.
Okay, Sarah, thank you.